What if I told you there's a secret that can change her mind about you, no matter who she is? Imagine the power of transforming her initial disinterest into genuine attraction. Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal a strategy so effective, it works on all women. First, let's tackle the big elephant in the room, rejection. The fear of rejection cripples many men, but it's time to flip the script. Understand this, rejection is not a reflection of your worth. It's merely a momentary response, often influenced by factors beyond your control. The key is not to take it personally. Think about it. How many times have you turned someone down for reasons that had nothing to do with them? Maybe you were having a bad day, or you were simply not in the right headspace. The same applies to her. Rejection is not an assessment of your value, but a snapshot of her state of mind in that moment. Now, think about the courage it takes to approach a woman. Most men are too afraid to even try. If you've asked a woman out and she turned you down, celebrate the courage it took to make that move. Remember, you are the 1% of men who dared to step up. That alone sets you apart. It's important to acknowledge this bravery because it's the first step to building a resilient mindset. Most men never muster the courage to face potential rejection, and by doing so, you've already proven you have what it takes to stand out. Moving on, let's learn from the best. The most successful men with women are also the ones who face the most rejections. Yes, you heard that right. They put themselves out there more often, increasing their chances of both rejection and success. Michael Jordan once said, "I failed over and over again, and that's why I succeeded." Apply this mindset to your dating life. Embrace rejection as part of the process. When you think about it, each rejection is just another step closer to success. The more you put yourself out there, the more you learn, and the better you become. This is a fundamental truth that many overlook: success comes to those who persist despite the setbacks. Rejection is merely 5 seconds of discomfort. It might feel awkward in the moment, but it's over before you know it. The secret is to stay unfazed. When a woman turns you down, respond with grace and confidence. A simple, "All right, no worries. It was great chatting with you. Have a good day," shows you're unaffected and confident. This response is powerful because it demonstrates emotional maturity and resilience. You're showing her that her response, whatever it may be, does not diminish your self-worth. This is incredibly attractive because it signals to her that you are secure in who you are. Here's a playful twist: if she says she has a boyfriend, respond with a smile, "Oh, okay. I guess he can come too, but he might get jealous." This shows your confidence and ability to handle rejection with humor. It signals to her and everyone around that you're a high-value man. Humor is a fantastic tool because it disarms the situation and shows that you can handle social interactions with ease. It also creates a memorable moment, setting you apart from others who might react negatively or awkwardly to rejection. Building confidence through rejection is crucial. When you show a woman that rejection doesn't bother you, you prove your emotional strength. This not only makes you more attractive to her, but also boosts your own self-confidence. It's a win-win. The more you handle rejection gracefully, the more your confidence grows. Each interaction becomes a learning experience, a step towards becoming more comfortable and assured in social situations. Over time, this builds a solid foundation of self-belief that is unshakable. Now, here's a challenge for you: go out and aim to get rejected. Yes, you heard that right. Approach 5 to 10 women with the goal of getting turned down. This rewires your brain to see rejection as a positive outcome. Each rejection is a step towards building your confidence and resilience. By seeking out rejection, you take control of the narrative. You're no longer a passive participant, but an active seeker of experiences that will ultimately strengthen you. This approach changes your perspective, making rejection a stepping stone rather than a stumbling block. Remember, the key to changing her mind about you lies in your reaction to rejection. Show her that you're unfazed, confident, and emotionally strong. This not only makes you more attractive, but also proves to yourself that you can handle anything. Embrace rejection, learn from it, and watch as your dating life transforms.